Hey guys, this is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and today I have a tutorial for y'all on this 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. Let's get a good look at it. Alright, so something really special about this Volkswagen, which is the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4 First Edition, it actually has massagable seats. And just like the Pro S, it has that feature as well. And for many of the ID.4s that are actually on the lot, they don't have this feature usually. Alright, but anyways, let's unlock the car and let's go check out this feature for ourselves. So right here, as we open up the door, you can tell that it's a very simplistic design, just like the exterior. But right here, we have these buttons. And this is actually, to be able to set some seat memory, to be able to have, once you get into the car, you can get it adjusted to the way that you want it. But right here, there's an icon that shows massagable seats. So something cool about this is that it actually has it both on the driver's side and the passenger side. All right, so right now we're in the Volkswagen ID.4. We're in the vehicle. And I'm gonna try out the massagable seats right now. And I'm not gonna lie, I've never done this before. I only have seen this on the Audis. But I just pressed the button and it actually feels like it is massaging my back. It's on the lower back right now and it's slowly going up my back. This is actually incredible. All right, so this is a quick video showing how you can actually access these massagable seats in your 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. Thank you guys so much for watching.